Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss with you one of the best topic which is respect to your money. So start with this course today is the first topic which is respect to your money. First try to understand there will be a lot of mind management topics which I will be taking care. So this is also one of the best topic which I'm going to discuss with you. There are a couple of points which I will be discussing with you as below. So let's start and understand what do you mean by the respect your money. So we respect our money because it's not just your own capital. Okay? That money belongs to your entire family. It carries the dreams of your children, the security of your spouse, and the future of your household. So when you invest, it's not just your own capital risk. It's your family's peace of mind. So remember, my friends, treat every rupee with care, discipline, and responsibility. Because when you protect your money, you are not just protecting numbers on the screen, you are protecting any emergency in your families, like school fees, health, retirement, and every little dreams your loved one holds on it. So respect your money because your family's future depends on it. So my first point is respect your money because market doesn't care how hard you earn it. It's only reward the discipline. Now money is more than just a number on the screen. It's your time, efforts and sacrifice. It has been converted into the resources. The market doesn't care how hard you earn it. It's only reward how well you manage it. So my question is not to you that how much you earn. So my question is how much do you really respect your money? Next point is every rupee you invest is a soldier. Don't send into the battle without any strategy. Now think about this way like there is an army, okay? Or think about this way that your money is an army. Every rupee, every dollar you invest is like a soldier and you are the commander. Now tell me one thing, or tell me one thing like would wise general send a group of battle without any kind of strategy or without any kind of training or backup or infrastructure what he's looking for? The answer is no, right? Of course not. But many of the traders jump into the market blindly, fired by the emotions, greed, or random tips, treating investment like a casino instead of battlefields. They don't research, they don't plan. And when losses happens, they start blaming to the market instead of their own lack of discipline. Money respect those who respect it. It flows towards those who use it wisely. My next point is you cannot control the market, but you can control how you treat your money inside it. Well, to understand at this point, I would like to say that stock price will go up and down as everyone is aware about that. There will be bull runs and the crashes. There will be breakouts and fall signals, right? But none of this in our control. So we need to understand what is in our control. The control is how we react. So my question to all of you that do you really panic when sale happens? You get stress, you tense, something like that. Is it happening with you? Or do you take any kind of revenge with a trade? Or do you put all your monies in the stock market hoping that overnight it will give you the richness? Or do you stick to your plan, manage risk, and trade like a professional? Remember, market tests the patience, not intelligence. If you treat your money with a fear, desperation, or carelessness, 100% it will leave you. But if you handle with respect, patience, and wisdom, it will multiply with compounding way. The next point is that treat your capital like a business partner. Don't put it into the work without trust and clear plans. Remember this. My question is to all of you that would you start your business with someone you don't trust? The answer is no, right? Because you don't trust and you cannot have a partnership with him, right? Or do you would you risk your entire life saving in a one deal without any kind of research, without any kind of study? Answer is no. Then my next question is, now I'm thinking over here, then why people do the gambling with the trading capital without having any solid plan? How can they take a biggest risk? I don't understand. Your capital is your partner of journey of the wealth building. Respect by Respect it by diversifying, respect it by following the risk management, and respect it by being patient. Money works best way when it's handled wisely and not when thrown blindly at the trends. And the last point is that your money will grow when you stop chasing the profit and start respecting the process. Well, over here, I think that everyone wants fast profit, right? Everyone wants to double their money overnight. But wealth is not built on the speed. Remember, it's built on the strategy. Think about the greatest investor. I would say that did Warren Buffett becomes a billionaire by chasing random stocks? What do you think that he, because of his luck or because of his whatever stock he was randomly choosing? So answer is no, right? Did Rakesh Junjulwala succeed by the following tips or rumors? Is there any way to have a tips or rumors then only he has become a multi billionaire or something like that? No, they follow the process. They build wealth step by step, decision by decision, and discipline by discipline. If you respect your process, profit will come. If you chase the profit, you will make the same mistakes and stay stuck in the cycle of losses. So, my final conclusion to take away from this video is that money rewards the discipline, not emotions. The market doesn't care if you work overtime to earn your capital. Do you really think that market is aware about that you have worked weekend, you are overtime or something like that? Market doesn't care. Or market also doesn't care if you got last time a bigger loss and now you want to make it back. Market is not aware about that. Or it doesn't care you feel confident or fearfulness. It rewards only those who treat money with the logic, patience, and discipline. So next time you open a trade, ask yourself, am I respecting my money or am I just hoping for a luck? Because in the stock market, respect for money is a real secret of wealth. So hope you understand this why I'm saying the respect of money and why we need to take that. Because in the chart pattern I will try to explain you. Last couple of months or years, I would say that it has given this particular stock has given a very nice rally. Okay, if you see that last almost 800 days it has given a massive rally, like ROI is somewhere around 465%. I will just show you this. So this is a massive rally which has given. But what if now you have started investing in this particular stock without having any capital knowledge or without having any kind of study knowledge? You don't respect your money and start investing over here. See what will happen after a couple of months or maybe after a couple of period of time. It will start following. The moment you have invested over here, it will start following. So we'll see that how it works. Over here, you have taken the entry at 1000 and now it is falling down like very badly. Now you are stuck in this particular point. You don't know whether you have to exit, whether you have to increase your volume, because that study you don't have or that particular kind of strategy or plan. So you work with the emotions. So this is what I'm trying to cover over here in this video. Thank you.